This is the range claim made physical. The Multinav Pro Plus BLE module establishes private point-to-point or mesh links up to 50 kilometers. No towers, no carrier fees, no licensed spectrum required. Your network, your terms. 2 megabits per second across that link. For a mesh or point-to-point deployment operating infrastructure free, that data rate means live drone telemetry, sensor streaming, and bidirectional control commands arrive without the latency that would make real-time operation impractical. The STM32WBB07CCV6 is the chip doing the work here. It manages the BLE stack and runs user applications on the same processor, which means your firmware has direct access to communication state without the overhead of a separate host microcontroller arbitrating between them. 57 by 47 millimeters. The 140 millimeter antenna is the visible element that extends range beyond what any chip antenna can achieve at this size class. The fixing frame holes are positioned at 54 by 34 millimeters for clean mechanical integration into drone frames and enclosures. Infrastructure independent communication only solves half the problem if the module cannot talk to precision location and environmental data. The Multinav Pro Plus ecosystem connects directly to the GNSS sensors and motor and battery management modules. One coherent platform, no adapter boards required. The RFOXiA Connect application is the control interface for this network, live GPS map, real-time sensor data, a controller layout designed for drone and robot operation, all running locally on your phone, all functioning with no internet connection across the full range the BLE link supports. BLE Chat extends the mesh beyond telemetry. When 2 or more users with Multinav Pro Plus modules are within range, they can exchange text, data, and voice directly. No carrier, no Wi-Fi, no internet dependency. In a disaster response scenario or a remote expedition, this is not a convenience feature. The firmware is open and programmable via SWD. For a module operating in infrastructure-free environments where the application requirements vary widely, agricultural, defense-adjacent research, industrial monitoring, full source access means you are not constrained by what the manufacturer anticipated you would need. The integrated RTC crystal provides precise timing independent of network synchronization. In a mesh deployment with no NTP server and no cellular time reference, the RTC is what keeps distributed nodes coordinated for data logging, event sequencing, and timestamp telemetry.